Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'll show you a quick video on how to change your profile picture on Facebook. Your profile picture is the picture your friends see next to your name on Facebook. So in case you want to change your profile picture on Facebook, this video will show you exactly how to do so. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to open the Facebook app and log in if you are not already logged in. Then go to the menu bar, which is the three horizontal line at the bottom right corner of the iOS or at the top right corner of the Android to access your profile. Click on your name. Then the next step is to tap on the little camera icon to the bottom right of the profile picture, and once you tap on it, you'll be given several options. Then click on choose profile picture. You can either choose the profile picture from the camera roll, from the suggested photo, or you can take a quick photo by clicking on the camera icon at the top. Let's choose one from the camera roll. So you click on your desired photo from your gallery in the camera roll. On this photo, there are lots of things you can do. You can either say something about it, or you can choose to not share this photo on your timeline if you don't want other people to be notified when these changes is made. So at the bottom, you can hit the share your updates with newsfeed to uncheck it if you want, or you leave it that way. You can also make it temporary by clicking on the make temporary option. Click on the duration you want. For example, if it's 1 week, after a week, your profile picture will be replaced with the old one. You can also add frame by clicking on the add frame option and select the frame of your choice. Then the final step is to click on the photo to adjust the positioning and size of the photo if necessary. Then click on done and click on save. By following this simple step, you can easily update your profile picture on Facebook using your mobile app. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.